The money has been in the account. We never touch the money. We never move with the money. We never carry it away. The money has been there the whole time. It's earmarked for an ICU. We will be turning it over to the Bustamante Hospital for Children to do this new project with Dr. Kenny Benjamin and the hospital.
Why is it that Shaggy, a military veteran, international reggae superstar, philanthropist, and overall good guy, has had to be defending himself from being a model citizen? Wanna tell me why?
We hereby certify that the balance at credit of Jamaican dollar account number held at the Scotiabank Centre branch as at November the 11th, 2019 is $112,205,019.06. Please note that this is an advice only and is non-negotiable. The account in the name of Shaggy and Friends has been in operation since January 2014. Signed, Mark Mothersill, Senior Operations Officer, Lyric Gordon, Manager Business Banking.
The experience has brought back things I learned as a child, such as no good deed goes unpunished, or a prophet is not without honor save in his own country. The Gleaner, yes, that paper, that same paper, published an article on Sunday, November 3rd with the title, Busta Still Waiting, Hospital Yet to Benefit from $100 million raise at 2018 Shaggy and Friends charity concert. Hospital yet to benefit. What them people had that think? What were they thinking when they sat down and thought up that headline? Me wanna know. Me still a think about it. Now then, this sent social media, other print media, radio and television, and the rest of Jamaica into talking frenzy. Yeah, man, everybody had something to say. Shaggy soon came up and cleared the air and all of that, to the dismay of many wagonists who were ready to throw all retired sojie under the bus/tank. The next thing is why it took King's House 10 days to respond to Shaggy's claims that it had refused permission to use the East Lawn at King's House for further hosting of the event after 2018. The other thing isn't the charity concert benefiting Jamaicans, so why should King's House be citing security concerns when that could have easily been sorted out? I mean, all they have to do is come together and decide, all right, Shaggy, you have your security, we have our official security. Let us put the two together and come up with a super security. But last time I checked, nobody nah do nobody nothing at those events. Nobody nah do nobody nothing. If anything happens, it's just a fluke. They again cited, and I quote, "The east lawn of the property is only used for parking for national occasions such as the swearing-in of prime ministers and the national awards and honors and awards ceremony." No, that are just bureaucratic talk for una kaba una dibi una can't come use up good up land. So here what? Get the hell out of Dodge. Una bright. Now King's House under normal circumstances is heavily guarded and very secure. You see how me I go over it? Note the term heavily guarded. We don't like the confusion that is taking place though. Because on one hand, you have the PM telling the whole world that Jamaica is ripe for investment, that Jamaicans should come back home and contribute to the country. But here is a man who is doing all of that. Shaggy is investing in the generations of tomorrow, and he's putting his mouth where his money is, and he has been doing it for more than a decade. Big up to you, Shaggy. Sir, my respect to you. We wonder how much money now King's House has made for a children's hospital or any hospital anywhere for that matter. Ah boy. A personal note to Shaggy. Shaggy, if you're listening, keep your chin up, sojie. Just like when you're on formation, stand straight and erect, toes pointing out, no daylight between the arm and body, and you will be fine. This old African proverb, milk and honey have different colors, but they share the same house peacefully. And I me say it, our ancestors say it. It makes sense when you look into it. So Shaggy, before we go, a little addition to that. Keep on doing what you're doing, Shaggy. You're gonna build that wing, Shaggy. It's gonna happen soon, Shaggy. And it'll be alright. Big up yourself, Shags. Go and do what you're doing. But remember this. Just like when you advance a contact sometime and the enemy are overwhelm you, you have to flank them. So flank them, Shaggy. Flank them. Peace.